Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3. Movers Cheap Fairhaven, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you excited about moving to Fairhaven, Massachusetts? It's a beautiful city with a rich history, and you'll love it. But first, you need to find a local moving company to help you relocate. 3 Movers is the best moving company for the job. As Fairland local TM movers, we understand the ins and outs of moving within the city. Our MA movers are experienced in navigating the streets of Fairland and ensuring your move goes smoothly. We'll handle everything from packing and loading to transportation and unloading. Trust Movers Fairland to make your local move a fantastic experience. Moving long distances from Fairhaven is so hectic, but with Fairhaven's long-distance 3 Movers, you can rest assured that your items are in good hands. Long-distance moves differ from local ones due to the required preparation and planning. Fairhaven long-distance 3 Movers will provide a team of experienced movers who are well-trained in the best practices for long-distance moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairhaven moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form